Voting no, Senator Sullivan. Voting no, Senator Stinner. Voting no, Senator Smith. Senator Seiler. Senator Shoemaker. Voting no, Senator Schnoor. Voting yes, Senator Shields. Voting yes, Senator Scheer. Voting yes, Senator Reby. Voting yes, Senator Pansing Brooks. Voting no, Senator Nordquist. Voting no, Senator Morante. Voting yes, Senator Moorfeld. Voting no, Senator Mello. Voting no, Senator McCoy. Senator McAllister. Voting no, Senator Lindstrom. Voting yes, Senator Larson. Voting yes, Senator Keene. Voting no, Senator Christ. Voting no, Senator Coulterman. Voting no, Senator Kalowski. Voting no, Senator Kittner. Voting yes, Senator Johnson. Voting no, Senator Hughes. Voting no, Senator Howard. Voting no, Senator Hickelman. Voting no, Senator Burke Harr. Senator Hanson. Voting no, Senator Hadley.
No.
Voting no, Senator Kenhar. Voting no, Senator Groney. Voting yes, Senator Glore. Voting no, Senator Garrett. Voting no, Senator Friesen. Voting no, Senator Epke. Voting yes, Senator Davis. Voting no, Senator Crawford. Voting no, Senator Craighead. Voting yes, Senator Cook. Voting no, Senator Koash. Voting, I'm sorry, Senator. Voting no, thank you. Senator Chambers. Voting no, Senator Campbell. Voting no, Senator Brosh. Voting yes, Senator Bowles. Voting no, Senator Bloomfield. Voting no, Senator Baker. Voting no. 12 ayes, 33 nays, Mr. President, on the proposed rules change.
The Groney Amendment fails. Discussion on the advancement of the permanent rules